My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Citroen C4 Cactus. This vehicle has done just over 59,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio and media, navigation and climate control. To the right we have Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera and parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.